This is the rule to change the imperative sentence introduced by let us and giving the sense of proposal. Now, it will be clear through the example. The first example is, he said to me, let us play a football match. Now you have to change it according to the rule. He, in place of said, you will write proposed to me, and in place of inverted commas, that, and us is changed into we. It is not changed into you or they, because you see the subject is he and the object is me. To change us into we, you or they, you have to see the subject as well as the object. If the subject is the third person and the object is of first person, in that condition you have to use we in place of us. And if the subject is of the third person and the object is of second person, or the subject is of second person and the object is of third person, you have to change us into you. If the subject is of third person and the object is also of third person, in that condition you have to change us into they. The main thing is that if both of the two, the subject and object, any one is of first person, you have to change us into we. And out of the two, if any one is of the second person and the first person is absent, neither the subject nor the object is of first person, out of the two, anyone is of second person, you have to change us into you. And if the first person as well as the second person both are absent, the subject is also of third person and the object is also of third person, in that condition you should change us into they. According to the example, it will be clear. Here you see the object is of first person and the subject is of third person, so I have changed us into we. In the second example, he said to you, let us clean the recitation room. In this sentence you see the subject is of third person and the object is of second person. The first person is absent. Neither the subject is of first person nor the object is of first person. So if the first person is absent, the priority is given to the second person and us is changed into you. So you have to change it like this. He suggested to you that you should clean the recitation room. Us will be changed into you. In the third example, you see, he said to Mohan, let us go to watch an English movie today. In this sentence also you see, the subject is of third person and the object is also of third person. The first person and the second person both are absent, so the priority goes to the third person and us will be changed into they. So here the sentence is like this, indirect speech is like this. He proposed to Mohan that they should go to watch an English movie that day. Here, as a rule, the said has been changed into proposed to, and in place of inverted commas that has been used, and in place of let should has been used, and us has been changed into they, and let has been changed into should, and it is placed after they, not before they. But if let is here, it is used before the object us, and when the us becomes a subject, let in the form of should is placed after they. So the sentence is like this: he proposed to Mohan that they should go to watch an English movie that day.